Health Zone presents 7 healthy foods that are making you fart. Are you experiencing lots of gas, burping and flatulence after a meal? It is probably because the foods you are consuming are hard for your body to break down. Therefore, your body is telling you so. It is only natural to experience gas. Your body releases gas as a byproduct of undigested foods by flatulence and burping to at least 24 times a day. But if you sometimes experience excessive gas, chances are your diet is the reason. The below foods, however, seem to be common offenders. Here's the reason why they make you gassy. 7 foods that cause gas. 1. Beans. When you are thinking of foods that cause gas, beans are most probably at the top of the list. Beans contain a lot of raffinose, which is a complex sugar that your body has trouble digesting. Raffinose passes into the small intestines and through the large intestines, where bacteria break it down, producing hydrogen, methane gas, and carbon dioxide, which exits through the rectum. To reduce gas without removing beans in your diet, a study reported the over-the-counter product, known as Beano, which reduced gas effectively for some people. Also, when you soak beans overnight, it can help in reducing gas. 2. Bananas, apples, and peaches. If your stomach feels a little bit rumbly after your daily apple, it could come down to its fiber content. Fruits are also rich in natural sugar, such as fructose. Although it is far less common than lactose intolerance, some individuals experience bloating and gas from fruit. This is because their GI system does not break down all the sugars in fruit properly, according to Women's Health. Therefore, these carbohydrates reach your large intestine and serve as food for bacteria that produce gas as a byproduct. The biggest fruit offenders include apples, apricots, bananas, peaches, raisins, pears, and prune juice, according to the International Foundation for Functional Gastrointestinal Disorders. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage are rich in fiber. That is a type of carbohydrate the body cannot digest. Unlike most components of food, fiber reaches your large intestine intact. The majority of the bacteria present in the GI tract live in the large intestine. Bacteria contains the capacity to utilize fiber for energy, but the byproduct of their metabolism is gas. 4. Dairy products. Lactose is a sugar that is present in milk and most dairy products, such as ice cream and cheese. Individuals who do not produce enough of the enzyme lactase may have difficulty in digesting lactose, which is known as lactose intolerance. Increased gas is one of the symptoms of lactose intolerance. If you suspect you are lactose intolerant, you might reduce your symptoms by choosing non-dairy replacements, including soy dairy, almond milk products, or taking a lactase tablet before consuming foods with lactose. 5. Nuts. Nuts are a versatile and great snack because they are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. But nuts are not easily digested and can create gas. If there was a type of nut to question first, it is recommended that you stay away from cashews, as they are considered one of the biggest culprits. 6. Scallions and other aromatics. Vegetables that contain strong flavors, including scallions, just the white part, onions, garlic, leeks, just the white bottom, and shallots, are high in fructans, which is a type of fiber comprising mostly of fructose molecules. Humans lack the enzymes to break down fructans, therefore, no one fully able to digest them, leading to gut problems like bloating and gas. 7. Whole grains. Whole grains, which include oats, wheat and starch and raffinose. All of these are broken down by bacteria present in the large intestine, which leads to gas. Rice is the only grain which does not cause gas. If the video was helpful, press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching. Smile.